gamers, so we're just playing Avatar World, and I just spawned.
Pero ang isa sa pinaka-inabangan ang live radio broadcasting competition.
Journalism is really part of my heart, and so I really want to do my best.
Galing nila mag-newscast.
Doble ba ang pagod mo dahil doble ang kayo mo? Baka ibalik namin ngayon.
This cat knows how to take off her clothes.
PWG na namin our bags.
Ang kupunan mula sa Puerto Game is on. Lamit sila ang defending champion sa live TV broadcasting Filipino category. Female news anchor ng grupo na si Verity, pressure din. Lalo't kasama sa nagkampiyon nung nakaraang taon, kanyang kapatid.
Hindi ko talaga in-expect na papasok ako sa journalism, and sila po yung nag-push sa akin na mag-try kasi po, hilahin po ako.
Ang kupunan naman mula Calabarzon, kumpiyansa sila na may laban sila sa kampyonato. Nung nasulat na nila ang kanilang script, sunod na nila itong shinote. Kalahating oras bago ang kanilang deadline, ang grupo mula Davao Region tila nagkakulong pa.
Pagkaroon siya ng pagsigaroon kasi super dami ng mga oras, and dito po talaga kami reflect sa lahat. Yung mga reflects po namin ay nalalaman na po
Kapag hindi kasi sila umabot sa deadline, mapapawasan ang kanilang overall score. Umaasa pa naman silang muling makapwesto sa finals.
We have high hopes for this that we think can go.
Samantala sa kanilang gusali. Umadagundong naman ang boses ng mga student radio anchor. Dito kasi sinasagawa ang live radio broadcasting competition. Malakas kasi ang ubong-ubong na ang angat sa competition ito. Ang grupo mula Calabarzon na 9-time defending champion sa MSBC.
para po makabuo ng dynamics of each other.
Hindi raw sila nagpapakampante. Matunog kasi na malakas din daw ang ilaman ng galing ng grupo mula Ilocos Region. Katunayan, ang video ito ng kanilang training nag-viral online. Hanggang ang dalawang grupo magpapatan na.
This is my
I saw someone there.
here's my stuff.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go.
Let's go to RV. Elsie, this is our job. Thank you.
Go.
Thank you.
Sure.
Pero iba naman ang atake ng mga estudyante sa Region 10 o ang Northern Mindanao.
Nag-ano sila maging newscaster. Parang si Jessica to.
Intro pa lang.
Ganyan sila. Magaganda yung mga boss.
Excitement po.
Sa radio, sa TV.
Ang tanong, kaninong boses kaya ang mananaig? Balik muna tayo sa TV Broadcasting Competition kung saan pagkatapos nilang mag-shoot at mag-edit, nakapila na sila sa mock studio para sa kanilang live broadcast. Ang kanilang ginawang balita mapapanood sa isang LED screen sa loob din ng campus. Hanggang sa sumalang na ang pambato ng Davao Region.
Kailangan mag-memorize ka.
Ang ginawa namin ngayon ay in-introduce na po sa kanilang kamakailan lang, pero they were able to exceed that expectation.
Ang ibang grupo nakaranas ng technical problem.
I'm still in the stage of exploration.
Ang kompetisyon inabot ng gabi pero ang coach mula Region 7 na si Teacher Eileen hindi alintana ang puyat at pagod pagod habang
Where's her
inaabang
backpack?
sumalang ang kanyang mga estudyante.
Tapos lang yun yung subject sum natin may.
Ang grupo ni na Verity, sumalang na
Baba kay
rin sa
7-Eleven, aakyatin nila ng gano'n. Parking naman din doon. Pag gano'n yung daan doon sa taas. Ang parking nila doon sa likod tsaka sa may gilid.
Hindi yung papunta mo pag subject sum. Lakad nyo lang.
ay silang kontento sa kanilang performance.
Major
Sikat na pag sa
discipline focus sa performance ko. Pero I really care na
Kabsat yung pinuntahan namin.
sa tabi siya ng kapit.
Ayun, magkakatabi lang yung mga restaurant doon.
Cordillera Administrative Region.
Hindi.
Mula
Sakyan.
Tapak City sa kanila.
May parking nandun. Dati daw lakarin yun, pero
Karating lang ng
medyo nakakapagod lang sa bilan ng mga bata. Pero kayo pwede yung mga 5 minutes na. Kasi malapit yung flight.
More diapers.
Umayos ka doon sa park sa Ambi. Mawala ka
daw
sa
silang maayos na uniforme.
Hindi, yung mga pagkakas.
Ilaan na para sa kanilang
Pili nyo na lang, may sasakyan kayo lang sasakyan nyo na lang. Para ma-return sa...
nasa Ang NSPC, isa sa mga programa ng kagawaran ng edukasyon para mas paglinangin ang gusto ng mga estudyante sa larangan ng campus journalism.
Sino nalo?
My mama.
Sakop ng Pilipinas.
Isa sa mga produkto ng NSPC at proud batang presscon ang kapuso reporter na si Rafi Tima.
Talagang malaking influensya sa akin. Nung nag-college ako, isa yun sa mga naging top of mind ko na talagang meron akong pwedeng karera sa pagkasulat. Siguro isang pwede ko i-share sa lahat ng trabaho ay isang bilang reporter. Bahagi ng isang dokumentaryo, even ng newscast, yung mga nasa behind the camera. So huwag yung pangarapin lagi na maging reporter
Here's
on
my
yung end all and be all ng industriya nito. Madami pa. Basta ang foundation nyo
Here's
is
some
magaling
new
pagsusulat.
glasses.
Start from there.
Samantala, itong Biyernes, ang pinakahinihintay na announcement ng mga nanalo sa TV at radio broadcasting.
Where's my pajama?
Ayun na na.
Ang grupo ni na Andrea mula Calabarzon, bigong makapwesto. Nakakuha ng ikatlong pwesto sa Radio Broadcasting Filipino mula Ilocos Region. At ang nagkampiyon sa taong ito, ang kupunan mula Region 10. Sa Filipino TV Broadcasting naman, si Verity ang nag-uwi ng individual
A few
award.
hours later.
At ang grupo
Few
ng
hours
Taong
later.
Region, ang grupo ni na Verity na defending champion na bigong makapwesto. Ang itinakal kasing champion, ang grupo mula Calabarzon.
Ay! Sinali na naman Cavite.
Tuluyan na rin natuldukan ang siyang na taong pagkanalo ng Calabarzon sa NSPC noong tanghaling overall champion Davao Region.
Sa officers natin ang nagsasabi na talagang hinuhugot din nila sa sariling bulsa yung pangangailangan nila during the trainings. Ang pinakamalaking problema talaga ng ating education system ay yung hindi paglalaan ng sapat na pondo. Hindi lang yan sa usapin ng extracurricular activities, kundi yung mga pangangailangan, basic needs ng ating mga eskwelahan.
Considering the huge number of delegation, the ganda para sa gano'n ay mas mapuluhan ang mga una.
Awareness po na journalism, very important po na to dig deeper and to be able to deliver those stories that really matter po.
Sa mga nangangarap dyan na maging mamamahayag katulad ko, katulad mo, sana ang pagiging campus journalist magtuloy-tuloy sa paglilingkod sa ating bayan sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalaganap ng tanging katotohanan.
Visayas at Mindanao.
Diba? Ang galing ng boses nila.
Sayas Jumbada.
Maganda ka.
Jumbada. Sayas Jumbada. Sayas Jumbada. Uy, sa fireworks yan! Chumana, nakikita namin. Ate, may sa fireworks to? Yes. Saan ito?
Kundi sa bulaklak na fake.
Daddy! Ella! Give me! Ay! Si Mama Mary! Do si Mama Mary! Mami, isa si Mama po! Ay! Hala, la, 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 la! Hala, la! Hala, la, 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 la! La, 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 la! Uy, nanonood ko dyan! Si Mama Mary! Mama Be! Bobom, bobom! What? I'm gonna pray. Coming from the universe, the party is no way. See you later. Sing for the
Alright boys, we're back to Combat Warriors. And boys, in this video, I'm going to be becoming Kratos and pretty much destroy people in this game. Before we can become Kratos, we're going to need to do a few things. Number one, we need to get ourselves a Kratos outfit. And number two is we need to unlock the Leviathan Axe, which is the weapon that Kratos uses. Alright, well let's go ahead and get naked really quick.
Mom!
And put on our Kratos outfit. Alright boys, and there we go. We have put on our Kratos outfit. What do you guys think about this outfit? Comment down below how good it is out of 10. But alright boys, now it's time to acquire Kratos' weapon. Look at these little goobers. Let me go ahead and punch this little zombie guy. What's up, you little zombie? Oh god, that's a C4, you furry. Boom, boom. Dude, Kratos doesn't even need a weapon, bro. Let's go ahead and just murder this guy right away. And you know what? This furry looks like they want to be murdered as well. What just happened?
Oh, I like
What just
it.
happened? You need to die.
I like it.
Do you kill this guy too? Yes, I do!
Baby
That's
Chalasta.
our fist, bro. Is Kratos this overpowered? Do we even need to unlock the new weapon that we added to this game? And this weapon is a light weapon. Let's go ahead and scroll down and 38,000 credits. There it is. This thing actually looks insane. Ooh, we can go ahead and buy some of these abilities. There we go. We tested out these abilities throughout this video, so I hope that they're good. So let's go ahead and put some sort of enchant on this Boom Frost. I think that might be perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and spawn in and look at that. And boys, whenever I swing with this weapon, it actually glows. So that's pretty cool. And if you guys don't play Combat Warriors and you're like new to this game, they're actually adding a lightsaber and an energy sword. So I'll put a picture on the screen right now. So if you're gonna see videos of me like playing with those new items when they come out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh, look at Batman. What's up, Batman? Look at this guy has the dragon sword. He's dead. Die. Oh, this guy wants to be my friend. Oh, Batman's back! Oh, yes! Yes, let's get it! Dude, we're actually like slaying right now. Oh man, I couldn't carry that. I'm like, ooh, a hot dog. But this game is so random. I always be forgetting that literally the most random things happen in this game all the time. I really just died to a freaking Slender. Are you joking? What up? Mr. Peanut, what's going on, man? It's Mr. Peanut. Let's go ahead and orange justice at Mr. Peanut. Is he gonna say anything? What is he doing, bro? Why is he just staring? Alright, but we need to start working towards our abilities. We got slash, barrage, stab dash, ground slam, and jump attack.
There's a
And we also need to find
pacifier,
somebody that we can
and there's a Dr. Toy
What are you doing? No way. Oh wait, look at you didn't die. How did you not die? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro, that was brutal. Alright, we can use our jump attack, boys. Check this out. This guy's, is he coming after me? Okay, he's coming after me. Check this out. Let's go ahead and use our V ability. Look at him. He doesn't even know where I went, bro. He doesn't even know where I went. Watch this. Bam.
Where's your pacifier now?
Yes, sir. That's actually like insanely overpowered. Here, look at this. Kratos is literally missing an arm and a leg, and we're still going. How is that not a parry? Wait, is that connected? I'm so confused right now. Alright, boys, well, that round ended. It looks like we're gonna play on the brand new map. Alright, let's check this out. Ooh,
Baby, you need to go.
that's kind of sick. So if you didn't know, Combat Warriors literally just had an update, and yeah, that's why this axe was added to the game. It is a brand new item. Are you guys gonna fight right now? Your little bacon? Oh god, the car is spazzing out. But alright, boys, I think that it is time to try to find somebody to troll in this game. You know, the whole point of me becoming Kratos is not only just to like commit like mass murder and you know, kill as many people as I can. Why is this person trying to like fight right now? Die! But I feel like we can definitely like pull a few little goobers in the world. Wait, hold up. Somebody just called me fake stud in chat. Now
But I wanna wear
seems
my
like a person
car.
that we could probably troll. Oh god, my voice chat's on. That's awkward. I hope nobody heard me. Oh, yoink at that. Yo, you know what a perfect place would be to go with the RPG? Up on top of this freaking bridge. Let me go ahead and super jump up here really quickly. There we go. Oh no! Please don't die. Yes, okay, there we go. We made it up here. Alright, so the thing that told me fixed everything is sleazy. What is sleazy up there? It's a little weird. Okay, we need to look for a little weird snipe. Weird looking fella. I think that's it. Oh my god! There's no way that was like first try. Hold on, we could definitely do like a Kratos thing up here where we just like commit death. Let me go ahead and super jump back up here and not die this time. Boom, go ahead and... Ooh!
Now your car is ready.
Please don't let me fall, please don't let me
I have to park
Oh my
there.
god. Alright, now we need to look for that little goober again. We need to look for that little goober. Alright, where is this little goober? Oh god, there's Penny right there. Oh god, I'm lagging. What is going on? There's so many people right there. There's so many people. Maybe I should just wait for it to be like the goober. Oh, there he is!
Sweetie left. He dropped me again.
Oh my god!
Go back here. I was
didn't
busy.
expect to see Kratos with the RPG in this video. It is him, I guess. OMG. I wonder if we could get a snipe kill with the RPG from on top of those towers. Let me go ahead and pop into the mission. Get on top of this tower without dying has officially started. Oh my gosh, there's little googly. Dude, I don't even think I've been on top of this tower yet, and they just added it. Oh, there we go. We made it on the very top. Okay, now it's time to see if we can get a snipe kill from all the way. Oh my god, that's almost perfect. Everybody's just standing right there. Alright, for this kill, what I'm going to do is I'm going to become FaZe Kratos. And I'm going to do a freaking trick shot and see if I can hit somebody. Alright, here we go. Dude, there's a C4 right there. This guy's trying to kill me! Alright, here we go. I'm going to become FaZe Kratos. 3, 2, 1. Jump up in the air. Take our shot.
Oh, there's
We got a double kill. No
Bestie,
way.
hi.
That was
Why are you
pretty
holding
good.
a
Alright, boys,
baby?
now that we have taken over and trolled as Kratos a little bit, I feel like we're gonna do something a little bit more fun. So, boys, I have gathered a bunch of goobers, all of them using the Kratos axe. And the people that are broken have no hobos. You know, they're using just, you know, the regular axe. But, boys, we'll be taking over a server. You know, we've got Zoro with the axe. We got a zombie with an axe. We'll be taking over a server as Kratos is, or with the Kratos weapon of choice. But boys, are you ready to join a public server? Everybody say yes, yes sir. Alright boys, here we go. Alright, everybody needed the castle. Everybody needed the castle, okay? Our goal is to take over the castle and maintain the castle. Kill anybody that's not using an axe. Okay, this person's an axe user too. Bet. Alright, we need to find somebody that's not. Is that person not an axe user up there? Guys, we gotta get this guy right here. This guy's not an axe user. Oh god. Oh god. Almost died. Oh my gosh, I just got blown up.
Pretend to be
Okay, I'm
here
back.
at the babysitter.
We're all reunited. We're all friends. Hey, how do you go? Hold on. Are you guys getting beat up like a furry. Oh my gosh. Alright, everybody, we're gonna storm down. We're gonna storm down and take on the rest of the server. Kill anybody that doesn't have an axe, okay? We're all gonna Kratos jump on 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Alright, bro, we got our axe users out here. Let's see if we can find anybody. Okay, this guy's not using an axe. This guy's not using an axe. There's a chainsaw user. We gotta use a chainsaw user. Come here. Well, these guys aren't using axes up here. Boom, boom. Oh my gosh.
Hello,
We gotta kill anybody who comes in here that's not using an axe. Alright, we gotta kill this person because they're not using an axe. Yes, sir. Okay, we got another kill. Oh, yo, non-axe user right here. This little goober. Oh. Yo, this axe user just tried to kill me. You think I'm gonna be nice? Or are you trying to kill me? No, I'm not gonna revive you. The freaking goober just came and murdered me and expected me not to get my revenge. Oh, this guy's not using an axe. Kill him. There we go. We got another kill. Yes, sir.
I have a jar, Mommy, too. Because I love this so much. But Mommy gives me this because I'm scared of the dark.
Over the whole entire center of the Combat Warriors map. Hey, yeah, but I just found a cooler Kratos outfit like mid-recording. So what do you guys rate this one? Do you think the Kratos outfit that I had before was better?
Let's
Or do you think this one was better? Let me know in the comments. But anyways, boys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you
I'll go
did,
first. But I stay at night. Why? Because I am not scared of monsters.
You know, like, hey! You want to kill your dad, huh? There are consequences to trying to...
I just want it now.
Alright, hold on. I have a proposition, okay? I have a proposition. Do you want to take over a Combat Warrior server with me and commit a lot of murders?
Anything for you, Papa.
Alright, so I turned my voice chat on and I'm gonna go try to find my son. I don't know where he went. We just joined a public server. Oh, there's my son! Atreus, it's time to take over a public server. I mean, okay, let's go. Alright, let's take over the beach. So, there we go. We got our first kill. We got Atreus. Please survive. Don't die again. Oh, wait, hold on. Any last word? Oh, wait. Did he just leave the game? You play God of War? Wait, he said yeah a bit. Alright, we need to revive him. I feel bad now. Oh, I'm sorry. Since you watch God of War, we will spare you. World of Warcraft? No! God of War, not World of Warcraft! What do you want? How do I follow you around? Boy, you got me messed up. Look at you missed too. How'd you miss? You know what? You're gonna get to go with Kratos treatment. Hi! I'm not stunning. I'm actually Kratos, as you can see.
Bye.